Have you ever wondered, what is a billionaire's secret? What steps do they take to grow their wealth? I'll tell you this much. It's not blind luck. It's all about saving, protecting, and making more money, which this course will teach you. We'll talk about wills, trusts, and estate planning, and how much you should spend on a house, and how to calculate mortgage payments the easy way. This course will help you create the perfect budget, which is really helpful in managing your day-to-day life. I'll teach you how retirement accounts work and how to pay less in taxes, as well as how to protect your family and your possessions by using the right insurance products. You will learn about investing in stocks, bonds, and commodities, and how to manage risk. And this will all be done with easy and fun exercises using your personal finance Excel dashboard. This course is customized for every country and every currency in the world. No experience is necessary. The great part is, we don't do theory. Instead, you will apply practical concepts to real-world situations. I have years of experience in finance, from working at Goldman Sachs to venture capital and investment firms, including ones that I've founded. I will help you to save, protect, and make your money work for you. Please check out the student reviews to see how so many have benefited from the knowledge they've learned. And last but not least, we're going to have a lot of fun. So let's begin.